build something on my laptop. I have to fix it. Let me see. It'll work after a while. After payday. It's turned off. It's turned off. It's turned off. After payday, I'll fix it. No worries. No worries. Cause I or I just buy a tablet or something between the meetings and getting this thing fixed. Or just call Pops and ask him to fix it.